Hello, welcome back. It's Trisha here from Passive Income Today, and I'm going to show you a quick tip that you can use in your ThriveCart account to check your students' progress and how they're going with the course or the products that you've sold to them and if they're getting into it. This is going to take you only just a couple of seconds to do. The very first thing you need to do is log into your ThriveCart account, and at the very top of the menu you'll see here in the header bar the dashboard, the products, the transactions, partners, and learn. So let's go straight to learn. Now I have ThriveCart Pro Learn Plus, which means I've purchased the upgrade. I'll have a few more features than just the basic ThriveCart account. If you haven't got the upgraded account yet, please jump in and purchase it so that you can get all the features that I'm referring to. The very first step in this section is that you'll see 4 tabs at the top: My Courses, Bundles, My Students, and Teams. The very first thing, if you want to see how a student is progressing in a course and you want to see where they're up to, it's super simple. Go straight to My Students, pick a student, go to View Profile, and then you can see what they've completed and how far they've got. And that's all you need to do. So there you have it, how to check a student's progress in ThriveCart and where they've got up to with their course. Have a great day.